Hello everyone, welcome to the My Favorite Scrapper YouTube channel. I am here today packing for a day crop. A day crop is where you go and you meet up with your friends and you scrapbook or paper craft or whatever craft you're doing for the entire day. It's usually 8 to 8 or 9 to 9, somewhere like that. But when you go, you take your projects with you. Sometimes there's make and takes there, but most of the time you have to take your things, take it there, unpack, have your fun, pack it up and come back home. A 3-day crop retreat is where you do it over a weekend. So you have a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or sometimes if they're fancy, they'll throw a Thursday or a Monday in there and make it a 4-day. But those are great because you unpack for a couple of days, you get to play with your friends, play with your things, get projects accomplished, and then pack it up and come home. So I want you to see what is in my crop bag. I have a bag that's my go bag, right? It's always packed for a crop. These are essentials that I don't unpack when I get home. They're not my projects. So it's not my paper or my tape runner or embellishments or anything like that. These are just staples that I have to have at every crop so that I'm comfortable each and every time. So let's go. First up on our list is a tower for electricity, then a lamp because you always need extra light, a footstool to keep your feet elevated throughout the day, a blanket because you never know if you're going to be hot or cold, a stand for your iPad or your sketches, your paper trimmer, of course. Then I have a bag of things, tissues, sanitizer, lotion, Advil, forks and spoons, Purell wipes, lens cleaners, Splenda, coffee for your coffee, Band-Aids, spray for the bathroom because sometimes it can be a little intimate. Then, of course, an extension cord, a fan if you get hot, as well as my garbage can. This is my Scrap-A-Ma-Bob rather. It holds my drink and my trash bin. I don't go anywhere without it. And then also I have my sketches. I bring some sketches with me always in this bag as well because I like to utilize sketches with my layouts. Then I have a shelf. I always bring this shelf in my bag and I put it on the table. I set my tower on top of it and my lamp to give my table some height. Then this is my craft mat. It's a magnetic craft mat with ruler that I use to work on my layouts. And that's it. Something else I forgot to mention in my packing bag that I never go to a crop without are my snacks. Every crop will offer snacks, but will they offer the snacks you like? Seriously, last item we never leave home without for a crop is your butt cushion. Get you one of these. I ordered this off Amazon. You won't regret it. Okay, hi scrappers. Who's your favorite scrapper?